Hello, welcome to a new episode of Today We Talk About. Now it's horological machine number 3. It was launched in 2009 and I started working on it in about 2004-05. I had only a sketch. It didn't look like this at all initially, and it actually morphed like many of the first pieces. So horological machine number 2 was a space station. So horological machine number 3, HM3, was a spaceship. The whole idea originally was I would like to see the winding system of my watch, especially with our very cool 22 karat gold battle axe system. The winding system is always underneath. Here it's on top, where you can actually see also a little bit of the balance wheel, not enough, unfortunately, for my taste. And then you therefore had underneath the hours and minutes. Then we had to go and take them from underneath and bring them back up into these cones, which you see here. Each of those pods or cones is actually the hour and the minute indicator. It's got a very mysterious date indicator. You've got a date indicator which is floating around the battle axe. It's like magic. How actually does this turn around while you still have the hours and minute indicators? It's part of the difficulty of this movement. So you can read the date on this little triangle, which you see here. At the back, because it's a spaceship, you've got the reactors. 40, 50 years ago, the best recorders for reporters who used to go out in the field for journalists was the Nagra Kudelski recorder. And these designs you see here are exactly the aluminium rolls which were actually used for the tapes in the Nagra Kudelski. We've got all these influences our whole life which seep into us, and we basically regurgitate them as a new idea. And whatever we do at MB&F, I know that it's been influenced by something I've seen, heard, I've been impressed with. I'm just regurgitating stories of my life coming out in these 3D pieces of kinetic art.